Dear listeners, welcome back. A very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on your viewing this video. Today I am going to discuss about actually one of the biggest news yesterday. That means 29th July 2020. The cabinet approves new national educational policy for first time after 34 years. Actually, our educational policy, the first educational policy is released in the year of 1968. After then, only three times the education system will be changed. Actually, the cabinet has approved new educational policy, the first in almost 34 years. This is the third national educational policy after the ones adapted in 1968 and 1986, with the second one modified in 1992. A panel led by former ISRO chief had submitted the draft of the new national educational policy to union minister. Actually, several changes. Almost some of the countries are followed these educational system policies. Now onwards, our country also followed these policies. Now we will discuss about the new educational policy with the help of here. I am including 19 points regarding new educational policy 2020. Actually, the main highlight points, the main aim of our country is from the child 3 years to 18 years, all the children's must and should definitely they are joined in the any primary schools. That is the main aim. The main aim of India by 2030, that means 2030, actually 100% literacy is the main aim of our country. So here the new education policy follows 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 education system. What is here? What is the 5 years? What is 3 years? What is then 3 years? Finally, what is the 4 years? Now we will discuss. Actually, here I am including 19 points regarding this educational policy. Now, one by one, I will explain. The first policy is actually in the new educational policy 10 plus 2. Actually, we are called this as an intermediate. The 10 plus 2 board structure is dropped. This is the first new educational policy 2020. The second new educational policy is the structure is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. That means 15 years. What is the first 5 years? Up to 5 years preschool for the children's, 6 to 8 mid school, 8 to 11 high school. Finally, the education is 12 onwards graduation. This is the new educational policy. Coming to the third policy, that is any degree will be 4 years in any state in our country. Any degree will be 4 years. The fourth new educational policy is 6th standard onwards. Vocational courses are also available. With the fifth policy, from 8th to 11th students can choose their interested subjects. All graduation, the sixth new educational policy is all graduation course will have major and minor. Here I will explain what is major and what is minor with the help of example. Suppose the science student can have their own interest in physics, so definitely he will choose the major subject as physics. Suppose he will interested the music as also minor, then any combination he can choose. That policy is also released in this. The seventh educational policy is all higher education will be governed by only one authority. Actually, in these days we have University Grants Commission and All India AICT, All India Council of Technical Education. So many governments, so many governances are there, but now onwards all the higher education will be governed by only one authority. So that authority is mainly the UGC and AICTE will be merged from now onwards. That is also one of the new educational policy. Next, all university, government, private, open, deemed, and vocational, etc., will have same grading and other rules. Actually, now we will follow some grading system for some universities, some autonomous colleges, but now onwards, all the colleges will follow same grading and same rules also. The 10th new educational policy is new teacher training board will be set up for all kinds of teacher in country. No state can change. Okay, states do not have a facility to change the policies. All kinds of teachers in country set up same policy. The 11th new educational policy system is same level of accreditation to any college based on its rating. College will get autonomous rights and funds. The next new basic learning program will be created by government for parents to teach children up to 3 years in home, and for preschool 3 to 6 years. Multiple entry and exit from any course. Actually, this point will explain in upcoming slides. Multiple entry. Actually, one student entry in multiple courses are also. The next policy is credit system for graduation. For each year, student will get some credits which he can utilize if he takes break in course and come back again to complete course. Actually, this is helpful for any student. Actually, the United States of America follows already this policy. All school exams will be semester wise, twice a year. Actually, in our country, the Bachelor of Technology follows this system. Now onwards, all schools exams will be semester wise, twice a year. The syllabus will be reduced to core knowledge of any subject. Actually, suppose we will take any subject, we have core and advanced concepts are there. Now onwards, only the syllabus will be reduced to core knowledge. More focus on student practical and application knowledge. This is also one of the very important new educational policy. The 18th policy is very useful for any student. Actually, for any graduation course, if student complete only 1 year, he will get a basic certificate. Suppose he will complete 2 years of their course, then he will receive diploma certificate. Finally, he will complete 4 years of his course, then he will get degree certificate. So suppose we will drop at first year, then we will receive the basic certificate. Suppose we will drop it after 2 years, then we will receive diploma certificate. So student can't waste his time. So no year of any student will be wasted if he break the course in between. Finally, all the graduation course feed of all universities will be governed by single authority, that is UGC AICTE, with capping on each course. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much for spending your time for this video.